Welcome to the A-Level Biology course. What does A-Level Biology involve? Biology is the study of living things. At A-Level, we cover many different aspects of the subject, including how living things are constructed, anatomy, how living things work, physiology, the variety of living things, classification and evolution, how living things interact with their environment, ecology, and how living things inherit their characteristics, genetics. Why should you consider Biology A-Level? You have a deep interest in biology and enjoy all aspects of biology in your lessons. You are good at science and you are on course to achieve a grade 6+ at GCSE. It will enhance your other A-Level courses. If you take courses like chemistry, PE, geography, biology will go really well with those subjects. It will link to future courses of study. If you're interested in going into medicine, for example, or physiotherapy or ecology, Biology A-Level is a perfect course to prepare you for these courses of study. What can you expect from taking Biology at A-Level? You can expect a fascinating and interesting course of study, high quality teaching from a team of experienced and dedicated teachers, good personal support and input, excellent resources and facilities, and high expectations, a high work rate, including constructive use of personal study time and a focus on independent learning. So how is the A-Level course structured? Biology A-Level is a 2-year linear course being examined at the end of the 2 years. It is divided up into 8 teaching modules, 4 delivered in each year. There are 4 hours per week teaching time with more than one teacher, and an expectation that those students will also give a minimum of 4 hours personal study time per week. How is the A-Level course assessed? There are terminal examinations at the end of year 13 with 3 papers leading to a single combined grade on an A* to E scale. There is no longer an assessed practical course element, although there are 12 required practicals. These form an integral part of the course and are linked to an associated logbook that you produce as you go along the 2 years. The required practicals must be evidenced and completed to a high standard. A-Level Biology subject content. In Year 12 we do 4 topics, 3.1, 2, 3 and 4. These comprise of biological molecules and biochemistry, cells and organelles, biological systems and how organisms exchange substances with their environment, and the inheritance of genetic information, variation and relationships between organisms. When you move on to Year 13, there is 4 further topics: energy transfers within and between organisms, homeostasis and how organisms respond to changes in their internal and external environments. That's a personal favourite of mine because it does a lot on physiology and how the body works. There is then genetics, populations, evolution and ecosystems, and then we finish up with the control of gene expression and DNA technology. How does A-Level differ from GCSE? There is greater depth and wider range of topic areas covered, although these do build on GCSE work. But because of the greater depth, it will require more work from you outside of lesson to keep on top of these topics. There are different teaching styles and learning approaches, for example seminars and tutorials. There is more emphasis on personalised and independent learning, and there is freedom to explore additional areas of personal interest, for example the extended project qualification. How is the course taught and delivered? Over the 2 years you will see a variety of styles in the way that you're being taught. Some of these are class discussions and presentations, seminars and tutorials, practical investigations and experiments, and independent study and personal research. Practical biology. Over the 2 years of the course you will need to show that you are proficient in completing a series of practical tasks within biology. These will comprise of lab-based experiments in microscopy, dissection work, and ecological fieldwork investigations, which will include a field course study to pharynx. Over the 2 years you will present these within your lab book, and these will be assessed by the teachers.